The MyLunos Pro Set comes with an array of attachments to take your dental cleans to the next level. 2 different nozzles are available for supragingival and subgingival treatments. They can also be replaced quickly and easily, making it possible to change between supragingival and subgingival applications, even within the same appointment. The Supra nozzle is suitable for all prophylactic cleans, including cleaning of orthodontic brackets, crowns and bridges, or prior to fissure sealants. The focused water jet stream can even reach areas that are difficult to access with a traditional prophy using a prophy cup or brush. The Lunos Perio nozzle is used for all subgingival treatments. This is supplemented with the sterile single-use perio tip with Who depth marking, making it easier to use for all periodontal treatment and implant maintenance. These essential components hold the Trehallow Space powders used during treatments. Filling them up is easy. Simply detach the chamber, fill it with your chosen powder, and reattach it to the MyLunos body. The Pro Set includes 2 chambers, allowing you to swap them out easily. This feature comes in handy when you need to change powders during an appointment or switch between supra and subgingival treatments. The next attachment is the aerosol cannula. This precise tool is used for targeted suction of aerosols and splatter. With its large rotatable shield, it can take up more than twice the volume of aerosols compared to standard suction cannulas, and supports in retracting the patient's cheek. The sterile packed single-use perio tip has been designed for easy insertion into the periodontal pocket. The grey guidance line allows for easy insertion onto the perio nozzle. With clearly marked Who measurements and a single lateral opening, you can be confident to control your insertion depth and reduce the risk of air embolisms. You can easily attach MyLunos to your dental chair with the various coupling types available without the need of additional air lines. MyLunos can be ordered in 5 different coupling types: NSK, W&H, Sirona, Cavo and BN Air.